Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make calls with Microsoft Teams in Windows 11. It will be really simple and easy. I will show you different ways to connect with others in Teams. So step 1, open your Microsoft Teams and make sure you are signed in. You can start a one-on-one or group call with anyone in your organization right from within the app. If you are already in a chat with someone, whether it's a private message or a group conversation, simply click the audio call button at the top right corner of the chat window to begin your call. Another quick way to start a call is by using the Teams command box. At the top of the app, enter the name of the person you want to call and select them from the list. You can also make a call directly from anywhere in Teams. Just hover your mouse over a person's profile picture or name, and when their contact card appears, click on the audio call icon to start calling them. If you missed any calls, click on the activity tab on the left hand menu. Here you will find notifications for missed calls so you can quickly return them or follow up. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make calls with Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.